We got Gary Fisher back here again. Same last evening. I got my light here and my brakes here. We're good. We'll cross over here again. Now it's 11:30 period train. Here it comes. It's 11:41 a.m. Very nice. Here comes 7236 on the roll. Not to Party Boytown. Lost focus. Here we go. I don't know about that. Side. I know. Oh. Yep. Yep. Now we go to the other side. Come on, cars. And I gotta say, here goes the train. Here it goes. Watch it go by. So there it goes. And that's it. That's it for the train. Up to 11:30 period train. We'll come back to later for that, right? Bye-bye.